I was really amazed by the city of Tokyo for what the city can offer and what is this location as an opportunity to hold a conference. This area within Tokyo is wonderful, is out of the crowded areas of Tokyo, but it's very easily connected with the city center. So all the delegates will have the chance to stay in a very relaxing and beautiful environment, and at the same time with a very short journey to see all the beauties that the city and Japan can offer. We had received already many positive feedbacks. Those are mostly related to the wonderful organization and the wonderful venue. Everything is working perfectly here. The food is very good and everything is very well organized. And so it's a wonderful place, nice rooms, very well climatized, so everything is really perfect. That was something I expected, but I didn't expect to be so successful and effective. Everything is organized in every single detail, and you don't know anything about what is going to happen, but you can really trust that at the end everything will work perfectly. So the Japanese approach to work is really something that all the world has to admire.
The organization of the conference was amazing, so very detailed. They basically thought to every aspect, and having the chance to be working with such individuals has been a privilege for me. And then how I found Tokyo, I think that as a venue, this venue about Tokyo, I think that this place is amazing. It's very wide, it's very elegant, has been perfectly arranged. So I have to say this has been a confirmed surprise for me.